In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to refund a game in Steam. Once you sign into your Steam account, go ahead and click your profile drop down on the upper right hand side, then click your account details here. Now from here, click on your view purchase history, and then you want to click on the game that you want to refund. Now from here, you will see, would you like a refund? Click on that. Then go ahead and click add like to request a refund. Keep in mind that to request a refund, you need the game must be no older than 14 days. If it's older than 14 days, then you stand a risk of not getting a refund. If it's less than 14 days, you have a higher chance of getting a refund. Now you want to go ahead and check the details here, then scroll down. Then towards the bottom here, you'll have tell us why. Click the drop down, select the reason why you want. Let's say the game is frequent crashing. You can go ahead and select that. Type in some details about your current situation and just simply click submit request, and that's all that you need to do. Go ahead and submit your request to get your refund, and just go ahead and wait for the refund to be added to your Steam account. And that's all. Very easy and very simple, guys.